In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Meta Business Suite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few helpful tips so your video shows up exactly how you want on your page. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the Facebook account that has access to the page you manage. It helps to have your video file ready on your computer. MP4 or movie usually works best, and a stable internet connection so the upload goes smoothly. Once Meta Business Suite loads, look to the upper left corner and open your profile or business switcher. This menu is where you confirm you're operating under the correct business assets. If you manage multiple businesses or pages, taking a second here prevents mistakes later, like posting to the wrong place. Next, select the page where you want to create a post. You'll see a list of pages you manage. Choose the one that should receive the video. After you select it, double-check the page name and profile image in the header to make sure you're in the right workspace. Now, click on Home in the left-hand navigation. The Home area is your dashboard view in Meta Business Suite. From here, you get quick access to the Content Composer and your key tools. If you don't see the Composer right away, give the page a moment to finish loading. Click Create Post. This opens the Post Composer where you can add your video. Use the option to add media, then select your video from your computer or drag and drop it into the window. While the video uploads and processes, you can write a clear caption that provides context, add relevant hashtags if they fit your strategy, and consider tagging partners or locations when appropriate. If you see options for thumbnails or captions, choose a thumbnail that's eye-catching and enable captions for accessibility and better watch time. Keep an eye on any warnings about file size, aspect ratio, or length. Adjusting those early avoids failed uploads. When the preview looks right and the progress bar shows your video is fully processed, your post details are set. If your content is designed as short, vertical video, you can also navigate to create reel instead of create post. Reels are built specifically for video-forward content and can help you reach audiences that prefer quick, mobile-friendly clips. Use this option when your video is vertical and optimized for short-form viewing. And that's the process. Open Meta Business Suite. Switch to the correct profile, choose your page, head to Home, and use Create Post to add your video, or pick Create Reel for short, vertical videos. Thanks for watching and happy posting.